Wow.
Oh, I see it.
Oh yeah, it's 100 on the top.
Ooh.
Off the muscle right there.
It's all on the quarter panels right here.
Yeah.
See it?
Big one.
It's all on the rail, going in and out. Yeah.
On the side.
Just because these moldings are black and rubber does not mean that they won't bend, because they will.
You talking about things right here?
Nope.
Nope. Talking about these right here.
These will crack. All of this moldings here.
Oh, I
These
see, I
belt
see.
moldings. I mean, they've got damage in them. They got little divots. You have to pay attention to every single bit. Like when I was telling y'all, when I walk up on a car and I go out and I'm looking at it, I literally will walk that car, take my pictures, and pay attention to every bit of the moldings that are on there. That's the first thing that I do when I'm taking my pictures. I just pay attention to all of that stuff.
Wow. So let me see if I can read this thing. So
Okay. Let me show you.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna get in here. So remember when I was telling you to go into the light as much as you possibly can?
Yeah.
I mean, naked eye, you can look, you can see that there's stuff there. But when you throw that on there, see how it makes it just illuminates it?
Am I looking at the car or am I looking at this?
No, you're looking here at the car. You're looking at the panel, because this right here, the light hits this, reflects into this, and it's gonna show you your damage.
All the different,
Yeah, you see it?
Mm-hmm.
So when you use this, make sure your lines, your dark side, your black, your darker lines are facing this way. You've got the light coming in, and you're looking into the light every time.
Okay. Gotcha.
You can see all
I mean,
those
look.
things
I mean,
right
they're
there.
all up in here. I mean, you have to pay attention, like guys. You got to look at every single thing, every single aspect. And this is supposed to try to help you gauge the size of your dents. It is not. It's a liar. It's camouflage.
Right.
So, I don't know how they told y'all to write, but
Quarter.
my teacher was Josh.
Okay.
That's who taught me.
You taught us.
Quarter everything. Everything's a quarter.
Quarter.
A dime is dumb.
That's right. A dime is dumb. I like that.
Yeah.
Come here, they gonna